After all are done, now assemble. First, take out the body. Insert needle on this back. Because this is the inner side, to the reverse side. At the center position. First, find the small petals. This is the small petal. The small petal is at the top. Then this body is at the bottom. Between these two, align with the center point. This middle. Then sew corresponding stitches like this. Tight like this, one T fall off, then it's fine. Pull tight a bit, then tie a knot here from the adjacent stitches coming through. Coming through from this loop. After coming through, twist a loop. Then wrap around the main strand twice. Then push this twist to the base position. Press down, then pull this loop tight. A knot forms here. Leave a bit of yarn, cut short. In this middle, okay. Then take out the red. Find the corresponding. Small petals corresponds. Find the yarn tail position. This one starts from here. Because there is one extra stitch here. So from this middle. When sewing, only pick up the front loop of the red position. This is a whole stitch. Only pick up the front loop. And the front loop of this gray. The inner front loop. These two adjacent loops. Only pick up these two. After aligning, add this knot here, so one stitch first. Okay, after sewing one stitch, continue. According to the corresponding stitches to sew. Sewing stitches by stitches correspondingly like this. Front loop and the front loop on this side. Pick front loop. center point here, because this stitch doesn't have a front loop. Just sew it on directly, but don't sew at the tip. If you have more above here and less below, you can sew it on this stitch. Then this stitch. Then sew the next stitch. As long as it's sewn on and no gaps, it's fine. Sewed all the way to the end. Sewed by yourself here. After sewing to the last stitch, the shape is basically there. At the last stitch, still on this stitch, go through, then the needle goes through this loop. Pull tight. Then also form a loop. Then wrap around the main strand twice. Then shrink this loop to the base position. Press tight, then pull the loop tight. A knot forms here. Then from this stitch, go through between the red and gray. Then came out from another stitch. Pull tight. Then cut the yarn. Arrange a bit. This can be wrapped tight. Then install the arm position. These are the two lower body parts. Now sew the feet. Determine the foot position depending on how long you want it here. First, determine the installation position. Here. Turn over. Then go up. This strand. Because my yarn here is short, you can sew it at this position like this. But I don't think it looks good. Then pull to the upper position. This is one foot position. Then the other foot. The length should be the same. Turning over like this is also okay. Do it according to your preference. Ensure the 2 feet are the same length. Then turn over. Hold this position. Go through the same stitch hole. Pulled up. Pull these 2 strands tight. Tie a knot. Cut. Use the tip to tuck it inside. Take out the included glue stick. Heat it. Be careful about the foot position. Sewing one side first. Apply a little glue on this side. Adjust quickly before it dries. Adjust the position. Press for a few seconds. It's tight. The other side is the same. First, determine the position. Like this. Okay, after determining, press tight. Must hold this position. Then heat. After heating, quickly apply a little glue on the edge. Then press. Next is the arm. Arms is the same. First, find the position. First, find the position. Okay, to the reverse side. Turn, determine the other arm. Same length is fine. Also, go through from here to the same stitches. After determining, can tie a knot. Then tuck it in. Then apply glue. First, determine the position. After determining the position, quickly apply glue. A little is enough. Then adjust before it dries. This side is the same. Adjust the position, then quickly apply glue. Make this side face outward. Adjust the position. This head part. If you don't want it to move around, adjust the position first. Then apply a little glue at this position, so it won't wobble on both sides. Can also skip glue. If applying glue, don't apply too much. Adjust the position. Finished. Take out the included K-cane. Use this hook for the cord. Can shape it freely.